What's going on, everybody? My name is Chris House, aka House of Tunes, or whatever you want to call me. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make money online as an artist. So if that's something that you're thinking about doing or something that you're already doing, but you want to know other ways, stick and stay. I can show you my top 5 ways of how I make money online in 2022. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, everyone, this is number 5 on the list, teaching art classes online. So I know you're probably saying, well, maybe I need a degree for that, or maybe I need some formal education. Nope, not at all. You can actually teach classes online through Skillshare, through Udemy, creating your own classes and putting them on Gumroad, putting them on your own website. And it's not really a formal education, but if it can be as intense as you want to, or it can be as enjoyable, as fun and easy as learning how to draw your first original character, learning how to draw certain animals, learning how to draw from perspectives, to draw hair. Anything that you think that you have the knowledge to do and you want to share it with the world and also get paid for it, then this will be for you. Coming in at number 5, teach your own classes online. All right, guys, coming in at number 4 is something that I love and hate at the exact same time. It's something that actually got me into the illustration world and got me to where I'm actually at today, where I got a nice following on Instagram, got a nice following on my other social platforms. It's called commissions. We love to hate commissions, at least I do, because commissions can sometimes be an amazing adventure to where you are trying to pull out an image or an imagination that someone else may have created in their minds, and you want to place it on a piece of paper. Maybe it's a fantasy world, a sci-fi world, something that's realistic, a logo, anything that the client wants. Then you have to come up with what they're imagining in their head, and it can be very fun. It can be very challenging. But when the customer comes to you and they are amazed at what you bring to them, they are excited and joyful and appreciate what you did, then it makes it so much enjoyable doing commissions. But you have the con side where you can be going back and forth with the customer for days upon days, trying to get things just how you want it. And sometimes it just doesn't come out like you want it to come out or like they want it to come out, and things can get all messed up. That's the whole entire video that I plan on doing further on down the line, just to show you the intensity of an actual commission. But again, a commission can be anything as far as doing a logo, doing an entire OC or original character for someone, doing a portrait for someone, doing a painting for someone, whatever type of medium that you do in the art world, this is something that you do. And I can break down how you get commissions, where you get commissions, how you price your commissions in the later video. So coming into number 4, we got commissions. Okay, so coming in at number 3, we got one of my favorites that I'm actually just now getting into, but it's an endless world. I tell you, it's so effortless, and it's called prints. I know you heard of prints. You probably got a print hanging up in your wall right now. You probably ordered some prints and didn't even realize that they were prints. Prints are something that you are illustration, a painting, a photograph, whatever you have decided as your medium that you have created one time, and you made it digital to where you can download them over and over and over, or you can send them out to a print on demand and allow them to print it out and ship it to your customer. These are amazing if you have your own website, if you know about Etsy.
Everybody knows about Etsy.
So if you know about Etsy, then you definitely knows about print on demands. You can come with the regular prints. You can come with them framed. You can come with them in a metal frame, a poster, canvas, whatever. But these are amazing because they actually sell themselves. You do the picture one time, and then after that, they just sell until that illustration runs its course and people move on to something different, whether it's like a trend that's going on at that time, or it's something that you promoted a lot on any of your websites or your social medias, and it gained a lot of traction. And once that traction is over, you move on to the next print. But the good thing about it is you only got to draw that print one time, and it sells over and over and over and over and over. And while it's selling, you can actually be working on other prints. It's an amazing and easy way to make money online. All right, guys, coming in at number 2 is actually should have been my number 1, but I'm gonna tell you why my number 1 is my number 1 after I tell you why this number 2 is number 2. So coming in at number 2 is digital products. What do you mean by digital products? Well, let me tell you what I mean by digital products. Digital downloads and digital products, same difference. Basically, let's say you did the prints, but people don't want to actually buy the print. They want to actually print them off for themselves. It's a lot faster and it can be a lot cheaper for the person that's printing off. So you do that picture one time and you make it as a downloadable print and you set the specs for it, and someone else who purchase that digital download, and they instantly get the files sent to their computer or downloaded to their computer. And if they have a printer, they can print it off on their own computer, use their paper, use their ink. You don't have anything to worry about. But the good thing is it doesn't stop with just prints. You can do digital calendars, digital planners, digital classes. Like I said in the beginning, you can have a class and let them download that entire class or that entire tutorial. Now you got Procreate brushes. You can download, you can make and have the brushes download. Number of things that you can do that you can actually have as a digital download. Because we are in a digital world, so all you have to do is create it one time, make it downloadable, put it on sale for what you think it's worth, and allow the customers to come in and download your amazing product. That's simple. I do it, you should do it too. So coming in at number 2 is digital downloads. All right, guys, coming in at number 1. And the reason why I made this number 1 is because, well, I'll tell you in a minute. Coming in at number 1 is making money online through YouTube or any type of social media as far as TikTok or Instagram, depending on your following. So you might say, well, how do I make money on these platforms? Well, with YouTube, you can search how to make money on YouTube everywhere, and everybody will claim that they're making hundreds and thousands of dollars on YouTube. So you can just go ahead and do your own research there. But as far as the other ones, the Instagrams, the TikToks, even kind of the Facebook, not so much the Twitter, is your following, how much the engagement is. You can also sell your products on there, get your commissions off of your social medias. You can promote your websites through your social medias, and you can also, instead of having them go to your websites to book these commissions and buy prints, now on Instagram and Facebook, you can actually sell directly on their platforms. And on YouTube, while you're telling people or showing people what illustrations you are doing or what you're talking about, as far as like if you're teaching a course, you can do snippets of a course and describe what's going on in that course. You can vlog about what you're doing, and if you're following and your videos are interesting enough, then you can get subscribers and you can get sponsors, and you can make money that way. So I made YouTube number 1 and social medias because it will allow you to promote everything that you do. So if you have an Instagram and you want to promote your teaching classes, you want to promote your prints, you want to promote your digital downloads, you want to promote your commissions, you can get all of them under that umbrella in your Instagram. Same way with YouTube, same way with TikTok. So these social media platforms I put at number 1 and making money online, because they will be the place where you will be able enough to display all of this stuff. And that is where you will get your traction so that you can make money online in 2022. So to run back now my list, I got starting at number 5, I got teaching classes online. Starting at number 4, I got commissions. Then we got number 3, prints. And then we got number 2 with my favorite, digital downloads. And then coming in at number 1, of course, we got where you at watching this video right now, and that is YouTube or any social media platform that allows you to display your artwork. I hope this helped you all, guys. If it did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, do all them things and comment below and let me know how you making money in 2022. It's time to get to the bag. I'm about to do the NFTs. I'm about to show y'all how to get money because it's so much money out here that we all should be able to be getting to the bag. So I hope that you all liked it. Let me know how much money y'all intend on making on this year. I'm trying to get 7 figures. I'm your boy Chris House. I'm signing out. Till next time. Peace.